got drip edge. Not a whole lot there, but it's a steep one. Got some fascia that's starting to go right there. Okay, she's pretty big. Let's go ahead and get some pictures going. See a missing shingle over there. All right. These two dormers are looking okay. Of course, it's got to be a 12. Got a missing shingle here. Let's go ahead and take some pictures of that. There we go. Back is looking huge. So there's missing shingles over here. Saw that going on from the road. So let's get over there and see what's up. All kinds of bird crap on this thing. All right. So missing shingle. This one's, see this right here? Creased. Let's keep looking. I'm gonna go to the bottom of the valley and then turn around. This slope has a repair. There's a missing shingle right here. You know, it is a CertainTeed Horizon, so might not take much to actually get Allstate to open up some coverage. Now let's go over here. Don't try this at home, guys. I'm out on the middle of a 12-12 with a pad, but see this nail poking through. Same here. Holding this shingle in. Let me take pictures of this too. And then this one. Is there any more wind damage on this slope? I don't see any. Now, one reason why I like to video these sometimes is you've got guys that'll get real handsy and just start flipping these shingles. And, you know, I don't want to have to deal with anything like that. So, I'd rather just record what I do. Oh, look at that. This may or may not be wind related, but we'll see. This exactly what I'm talking about. See this? See the line? Could be wind. Carriers keep saying they're gonna do something about it if they catch contractors. There's contractors in my area that have actually gotten caught and nothing seems to be happening. But who cares? Who cares, right? Hard to say. This chalk isn't really grabbing well on this flashing. It's like the paint's kind of, or like the enamel on it is baked off. Oh, okay. Look at this water table. See that? So let me chalk that more. Maybe so. At least collateral on the copper water tables here. So let's keep looking around. There's a missing shingle. I definitely say it's worth claiming. So another missing shingle. Don't really see anything that sticks out over there. Not really sure why I came over here. Let's go back. Let's go back. Let's get on this side. Go further. See what we can't figure out. So the vent cap has a little bit on it. That pond is nice. If only I were an eagle, right? Not for the faint of heart. There's another missing shingle. You know, some of these guys are like, I don't do it for fun when they're working. You can't hate this and do it. Yep. See if there's anything on the back that sticks out. Not seeing it. Man, I've watched some videos on YouTube of these guys that are just like, see, this is wind, and they're just like flipping the shingle, just tick, 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 just flipping it up and up and up. It's crazy. Crazy, Bo. It's just a random nail on the slope right there. I feel like I'm seeing some hail, but you know, I think wind might be the key on this one. They do not make this shingle anymore. Although this is a large roof and we're dealing with Allstate, still a chance. Still a chance. Look at this slope. Just let me turn around. Look. It's just like straight up. I'm gonna keep looking on that side. I feel like that's the direction the wind came. I'm almost done here. I don't need to spend a lot of time on this one.